Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome to Haseeb Electronics. In this very short video, I will discuss how you can test a speaker from any TV set, any tape recorder, for any sound system. All speakers have a same function. Take a multimeter, put it at ohm, and just only take these leads and make them short circuit. It is self-test for multimeter. That means these cables are okay and multimeter is working. It should give 0 ohm resistance. That means the cable is, test leads are okay, test probes are okay. Okay, now just only directly connect to the test points. It is giving 8.2 ohm. If we see, here is written 8 ohm. There are some speakers 16 ohm, there are 32 ohm, but this speaker, it is 8 ohm. Okay, just only connect this one. If it is not working, there is no resistance between these 2 points. Sometime there is a failure. You can see this wire is connected inside here. Sometime there is this disconnection from here, this disconnection from here. You can check the soldering from this point and from this point. If it is okay, then there is a coil inside here. This coil moves like this, then maybe the coil is damaged. So it is a very simple test. Just only connect multimeter at ohm scale. It will give you some indication, and we can test it by continuity. Put it at continuity. When you will put it continuity, it will give 8 ohm resistance. That means this speaker is working. If there is no tone or no 8 ohm or 16 ohm resistance, that means the speaker is US. If you think this video is good for you, you can like, subscribe, share, and you can press bell icon button, and take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.